Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Nicole Elise here. Well, actually, today we have Cleo here. If you guys don't follow me on Instagram, you would not know who she is. She got lots of likes and we got a lot of comments of people saying like, please do this makeup look. So I'm doing the makeup look. This is usually what she's wearing. She's kind of cool. She's kind of like seductive. She's just a little bit more ethnic than I am. Like, just a little bit. It's so fun to like play with like contacts and just kind of change up your look time to time. This is being like Instagram ready. I'm super full glam. You can obviously wear this on a night out. You could wear this when you're shooting some Instagram pictures or just like roaming around the house, feeling yourself. If you guys want to see how to get this look, then just keep on watching. I am gonna start off by priming my face. This is the Soft Silk Pro Filter Hydrating Primer. This skirt is so tight, you guys. I'm gaining weight and in a good way. I'm not complaining. I don't want people to be like, you're not gaining weight, you look the same. I love this primer. It's so hydrating. It's so good. It's like my favorite primer right now. I feel like it really like covers up my pores without that like silicone-y feeling, because I really don't like primers like Professional and stuff. I hate that feeling. I'm trying to switch it up because I know I use a lot of the same products when it comes to foundations. So instead of using Fenty Hydrating Foundation, I'm gonna use these Hourglass ones. These are the Hourglass Vanish Sticks, and these are really great. Oh, this is the dark one, damn. Okay, this is the shade Golden Tan. It's a brand new tube. I have like a bunch of these in different shades. I just haven't used them. And I'm just going to paint my face. This is way too light. I don't know why I thought this was gonna match me. Does it? I don't know. This is really buildable too. Right now, I look like a ghost. Why is this not my shade? I thought this was my shade. I think this is the darker shade, but it's the Vanish foundation, the Seamless Fluid. This is my Stable. I used to use this all the time. I'm just gonna contour a little bit. I'm doing this video completely backwards, to be honest, but it's okay. I'm just going to do my eyebrows. I'm actually going to use this Fenty, I forget what it's called, the Fenty Brow MVP. The Ultra Fine Brow Pencil and Styler. So this is what it looks like. I use mine in medium brown, I believe. And it has two sides. So you have the pencil and then you have this really cool, never seen this before on an eyebrow pencil, but I mean, I'm kind of liking it, to be honest. And what I've been doing is I've sort of been mapping out my brows, which gives me a much more proportioned brow. And I don't know why I haven't done this in so long. Okay, like that, the edge of my nose, this is where that goes, and then my eyebrow, okay. This is the 24-Hour Brow Setter by Benefit, and later on I might go back in once my makeup's kind of come together and just see if I need to add more to the brow, or you know. I'm gonna do my concealer, and I'm going to be using this one, my usual 7 and 8. These are the Magic Way liquid concealers, and I really love these just to brighten and conceal underneath my eyes. This is a fantastic concealer. We're going to use this beautiful baby. This is the translucent medium deep powder, but it's in the glow version, and it's super good. You guys should try it out. I like to kind of warm up my skin, kind of go over the cream contour that we used, like so. Start to contour a little bit, and it just adds like a really pretty bronziness, and it's just a really nice way to set makeup, especially if you're doing something quite full coverage like I am today. And then I like to do here. I'm gonna go in with a little brush like this and also try to contour my nose. And then my key to stuff like this, especially when you're contouring, just to sort of blend it all together, take your beauty blender and just tap over it. Don't like swipe because you'll move the product, just bounce to just really push it in. I'm gonna take the Airbrush Flawless Finish Skin Perfecting Micro Powder by Charlotte Tilbury. You guys, this is the best under eye powder if you need a powder just in general. If you are, like, if you can get away with setting this all over your face, do it, because it's the best powder. And by the way, like, I've never seen something more beautiful in my life because it's brand new. But anyway, ooh. And I'm just gonna go ahead and set. The way it's formulated is just the best. You could literally put the whole thing, the whole pan on your face and you won't even look cakey or anything like that. It's just so well done. I think we're gonna go ahead and do my eyes. So because I have these contacts in, I like to do something a little bit more like coppery-ish. Something that'll make the eyes really stand out. And I really love using Soft Glam. It's Anastasia has just fantastic, oh, shattered a little bit. So compact, they're easy to travel with, like so good. And the formulations is fantastic. The Soft Glam is my favorite other than the Mario one, but I try not to use that in my videos anymore because obviously that was limited edition, you can't get it anymore, but I still have it and I love it. But we're gonna use this palette instead because it is readily available. So I'm gonna go ahead and just go in with Burnt Orange, which is this really nice tan color. It's a really great transition shade for someone like me. Like this color just kind of like defines the eyes but not go too crazy. I don't go super crazy with eyeshadow, you guys know this. Like, I'm not one that does like cut creases and like things like that. I just like to keep it pretty simple. Also gonna use this color. It's from the Gen Nude palette and it's actually really pretty. It's a Beige for Days blush from Bare Minerals. And I'm gonna go ahead and kind of apply this all over the lid. I just think it's a really pretty soft. I'm gonna actually go back into this palette. I'm gonna use the shade Rustic right here, this really pretty brown tone. Just gonna kind of pull this eyeshadow out just a little bit because we want it to be more almondy than round. I have super round eyes, so I just want to like pull them. You guys see this? It's really neutral, like barely looks like anything. For some reason on the camera it doesn't even look like anything. Okay, so I'm just gonna keep the eyes like this for right now, and then I'm gonna go back in with like eyeliner, mascara, lashes, all that good stuff. But we're gonna go back to the rest of the face real quick. And I'm going to, I don't know why I do that. Should I just do my eyes? Fuck it. No, I should do my eyes. Okay. Oh my god, I'm literally psychotic. You guys guessed it. Sun Kissed from Nude Sticks. You guys know, like, it's just something I'm going to at least layer with. Like, it's just how it starts. So I'm just gonna put this right at the apples. And just blend it out also. This is a very good brush. I love this brush to blend all this stuff out. Then I like to put a little bit right here. All right, I'm gonna use Sunset Strip. This is like a really, this is their Oliver, it's a matte. I thought it was a dew, but it's matte. And then just apply this right to the like cheeks right there. Okay, that looks absolutely like a fucking clown. So I'm gonna blend that out with a beauty blender and just pick up whatever excess there may be. Next we're going to use this. This is the Sex on Fire blush by Charlotte Tilbury. And I'm going to put this like, just to kind of set everything. This is what I usually do. I'll kind of like set it and then we'll go in with the Glowgasm Beauty Light Wand and the shade, oh, it's just Goldgasm, okay. And I'm just gonna apply this right here. So my thing now, instead of kind of taking a whole strip of highlight, I like to just kind of go right here. Like there's this little C formation from the brow bone to like the cheekbone, and I just like to keep it right here. And I feel like it just gives a more softer, natural approach, not too intense. Just, I feel like this is really where I want to shine. I want to add a little bit of shine. I'll use the Flawless filter and I'll just apply this right to like, I'm gonna go in and do the rest of my eyes. Okay, here we go. But I'm just gonna keep it on the outer third of the lid. What the fuck is that? I literally made my eye slant. Do you see the wing? It's pointing down. We all know where south is. We don't need to like tell them with my eyeliner. What the hell is this? Okay. Oh, it's way better. Holy smokes. I've been really into this this mascara called Lash Mascara by Buxom. I used to use this like back when I first was in college. Sometimes I'm just like, why am I like trying new things when I already love this one? This is the Larger Than Life Longwear Eyeliner. I do like it. It does, like after a little bit, it starts to transfer, like after probably I'd say like 3 hours, it starts to fall down. But I love lining my waterline, my tight line, because it just, okay, I feel my nose running. It just like makes your lashes look so much fuller. So this thing holds my lashes. It's a lash holder. So instead of like sticking them all over my house, I just put them in here. So I'm gonna use these ones. These are the Demi Wispies. You guys know, like if you've been with me for a while, you know that like I really keep it pretty simple with lashes. Like I don't think I've ever really spent a lot of money on lashes. I think maybe one time. I'm going to go over the band just because it is a little clear. You see what I mean? You can kind of see that? It's a little goopy. I'm going to take some of the Laura Mercier, and this is Addiction, and it's the Face Illuminator. I've really been into this. Look how pretty it is. It's a very nice gold. And I just add a little bit right here, and I add a little bit right up here too. Just like a little splash. And then right here. Yeah, I feel like my blush is fading. We're actually going to do a little bit more a little bronziness happening up in here. This is one of my favorite bronzers. It's kind of broken. This is like barely hanging on, but it's a beautiful shade just to really blend. Really great shade just to kind of blend, contour, and blush together. I personally love it. It's such a good one, and it's from Maybelline, right? Yeah, it's Maybelline. And it's so beautiful, like literally so beautiful. I'm gonna line my lips. The Lip Cheat by Charlotte Tilbury. It's Iconic Nude. All right, we're gonna try this. This is the Slow Ride by NARS. Not the shade, not the color. This is not it. This is Best Actress. Okay, let's just use this one because this is a really pretty nude, and I feel like Instagram ready is usually like a really nice nude, so. Last but not least, I'm going to use a gloss because everybody loves a good juicy lip. And I'm just gonna use Fenty Beauty. This is the Fenty Glow. This is one of the best ones. I'm gonna take Burnt Orange and a little bit of Rustic, these two like main colors that I used underneath my eyes, and just kind of all right, so last thing is to set. So I'm gonna go ahead and, it's broken. That is the completed look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to check out the description box for all the products as well as my social media links, all that good stuff. I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.